The question we have on the board is exercise question 2.26, which is if the density of some lake water is 1.25 gram per ml and contains 92 gram of sodium positive ions per kg of water, calculate the molality of sodium positive ions in the lake water. तो क्वेश्चन में हमें इंफॉर्मेशन दे रखी है कि 92 ग्राम ऑफ सोडियम डिजॉल्व है इन 1 किलोग्राम ऑफ लेक वाटर। इसकी डेंसिटी है 1.25 ग्राम पर ml और हमें कैलकुलेट करना है मोलैलिटी ऑफ द लेक वाटर। तो सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट करते हैं इसको। गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन इज 1 किलोग्राम of lake water contain 92 gram sodium positive ions. Now to find the molality, we have formula. Molality equals number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. Now number of moles of solute, here solute is sodium positive ions. Number of moles is given by given mass upon molar mass. Molar mass of sodium is 23. Now in 1 kilogram water 92 gram is sodium, so remaining 908 grams will be water. So mass of solvent will be 908 gram. Now we have to convert it into kilograms, so dividing it by 1000, and on simplifying this we will get 92 upon 23 multiplied by 1000 upon 908. On solving this we will get the molality as 4.41 m. So this is the molality of sodium positive ions in the lake water. But in NCERT book, the answer is coming as 5. According to the given information, this answer is correct. Now let us try whether our answer will match with the book or not in different cases. So you can write this solution by pausing the video here, and next time I will be solving for different cases. Now one may argue that lake water cannot contain only sodium positive ions, so there must be some anion, and if we take a general case that the lake water is containing sodium chloride, in that case we will get 1 kilogram of lake water contains 4 moles of NaCl. Now in this case, if we find the molality of Na positive ions, then we will get 92 upon 23 divided by, now here 4 moles of sodium chloride, they will weigh 58.5 into 4. So that will come as 58.5 into 4, and this will come as 0.4 and 23. So 234.0 grams. Now the mass of solvent will be 766 gram. Now to convert it into kilogram, we will divide by 1000. On simplifying this, we will get 92 upon 23 into 1000 upon 766, and the molality of sodium positive ions will come as 5.22. Again, this is not the answer mentioned in the NCERT book, so this is also not correct answer. Now, up to now, we are trying to find the molality. Now, the density of water is given. So, if we try to find the molarity of the solution of the lake water, then the molarity of sodium positive ions will come as 5. So, it may be possible that in the book, the question is being asked for molarity and it is misprint as molality. But if the question is for molality as it is written in the book, the correct answer will be 4.41 m. And if it is for molarity, then only the answer will be matched with the answer mentioned in NCERT book. So these are the different cases for this question, and the correct answer for this question based on the information given is 4.41 m, which we have already solved.